Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all the requisite necessary to justify or to except from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attended. Paragraph 2. That offenders under 18 years of age over the 70 years, in the case of the minor, he shall be proceed against in the accordance with the provision of Article 80. Paragraph 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave wrong as that committed. Paragraph 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately precede the act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense, that the one committed the felony, delito, his spouse, ascendant, or a relative by a felony within the same degree. Paragraph 6. That of having act upon an impulse so powerful as natural to have produced passion or obfuscation. Paragraph 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a prison of the authority or his agent, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court of the presentation of the evidence for prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and blind, otherwise suffering a physical defect which to restrict his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Paragraph 9. Such as illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender, without, however, depriving him for the consciousness of his action. Paragraph 10. And finally, any other circumstances of similar nature and analogies to those above mentioned. Thank you. Ah.